Welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. K. In this video, we'll be discussing the structure of the periodic table. We'll be talking about the periodic table. So when you are talking of periodic table, it is the regular periodic arrangement of the chemical elements in order of increasing atomic number. Said the atomic number is denoted as said. Now, the vertical columns of similar elements are called groups, and the horizontal rows of elements are called period. So let me quickly talk a bit on this. It is the periodic arrangement of elements in order of increasing atomic number. So we are talking about increasing atomic number. That is, let's say for example, the one having atomic number of 1 will come first, while the other one having atomic number of 2 will follow, and the one having atomic number of 3 will follow it. So that's the meaning of order of increasing atomic number. Now, the vertical columns of similar elements are called group. Yes, so vertical columns are called group. For example, if you look at the periodic table before me, we have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. They are in the same group. That's a vertical column. So and the horizontal rows are called period. So when you're talking of the horizontal rows are called period. So for example, now look at the hydrogen that I first mentioned here. Now look at that's at the extreme end of that periodic table. Now look at the other end, you will discover you have helium there. So that's a period. That's a period. Also, that's horizontal. Now the same thing, if you go down after hydrogen downward, you will see lithium followed by beryllium. So on the other hand, you see boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So those ones are they are in the same period. Hope you are getting that. Now the main groups bear numbers 1 to 2 and 13 to 18. Yes, the main groups bear number 1 to 2 and 13 to 18. Yeah, I will show that. Now look at the hydrogen. We have group 1 and 2. Group hydrogen is in group 1. Look at beryllium is in group 2. Now if you go to the other end, leave those ones in the middle. So you look at the numbering. So you discover that you have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So those are the remaining group number 13 to 18. Now group 3 to 11 are the transition metals. So if you see in between after the group 1 and 2, so those ones in the middle. So 3 to 11, those are the transition metal. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Those are the transition metals. Now the first period has only 2 elements. That's hydrogen and helium, as I've told you earlier. Now the elements belonging to the same group show similar physical property and a gradient change in their chemical properties. Now what you should notice is that in a periodic table, elements in the same group have the same number of valence electron, while elements in the same period have the same number of electron shell. Yes, they have the same number of electron shell. So now let's go. Now the periodic table comprises of the S block, P block, D block, and the F block. Now we are going gradually. So let me stop there, and in our next video we'll expand more on that. So we'll expand more on that in our next video.